Good morning, children. Myself Maninder Singh from A4 School, Gorakhpur. I welcome you all to the dhamakedar, faratedar, and mazedar session of science online classes conducted by A4 School, Gorakhpur. As you all know, it is a very critical and emergency situation for the whole world due to the coronavirus. And I hope you all are safe and staying at home. Children, you know that precaution is better than cure. Yes, children, only the precaution would save you. So, stay inside, don't go out, wash your hands regularly with the soap. I know you all are missing your schools, teachers, as well as your friends. We too miss you and hope that soon the school will resume. So, if school launches the science online classes, which will cover your chapters in detail, we will clear all your doubts, question answer, exercises, everything will be done. Assignments, projects, activities will be given from here. Challenge, tasks, everything will be given. Okay, so you all are going to enjoy this session. Okay, now let us start learning the first chapter of your science NCERT textbook, that is chapter number 1, food. Where does it come from? आपको तो पता नहीं, पर मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है फूड. Life is a food, all about food. I hope you all have taken your breakfast today, isn't it? Now I'm giving you a task. Call any of your 3 friends today and ask what they eat in their breakfast. You will find the variety of food is there. For example, some of our friends have taken the bread and tea, some having the paratha sabji, some having the fruits, milk, etc. So, what you'll find from this activity? Variety. What you'll find? Variety. So, what does variety of the food mean? Actually, the variety makes your food fun and healthy. Yes, the variety makes your food fun and healthy. I just imagine one thing, that every day eating pizza from Monday to Sunday. ब्रेकफास्ट में पिज़्ज़ा, लंच में पिज़्ज़ा, डिनर में पिज़्ज़ा, सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों, बट खाने में उतना ही अनहेल्दी है. सो ईच एंड एवरी डे हैविंग द सेम फूड will definitely add a boredom in your life, and it also not be healthy, you know this. So make sure that your food have a variety in it. Do you understand? Your food have a variety in it, and all the nutrients should be there in your diet. That is called the balanced diet. Yes, what is a balanced diet? A balanced diet contains the equal amount of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, roughage, and water. Do you understand? So this is a balanced diet, and it is very necessary for your body. So suppose just make sure that you are not keep on eating rice daily. Can you? If you will provide it every day with rice, can you eat it daily? Or you keep on eating the chapati daily, pizza, pakoras? All the nutrients should be there. All the nutrients should be there in your diet in adequate quantity. Then your food will be healthy and fun. So now the question arises that this eating the rice, eating the pizza, eating the chapatis daily will not make you count in a good health. Variety of ingredients are needed to cook our food. Now the question arises, what is ingredient? A very important keywords from your textbook. Ingredient. See bacho, the ingredient means the different spices, raw materials required to cook any food or dish. In simple words, it is a raw material which is required to prepare your food. I'll give an example for you. Suppose that you have to cook a boiled rice. What raw material will you use there? Tell me. Just think. Yes, simple, a raw rice and a water. Okay. So, whenever you have to use it, whenever you have to make it, the rice, bowl of rice, you will definitely use a raw rice and a water. So the raw rice and water are what? They are the ingredients. Yes. I'll give you another example. Suppose you have to cook a dal. Okay? You have to cook a dal. Then what ingredients do you need? Come on, think. What ingredients do you need for cooking a dal? Yes, you need a water. You need a raw dal. You need a salt, turmeric means haldi, and then you can able to cook a dal. So, bacha, these all are the ingredients basically, okay, which are required to prepare your food, which is required to prepare your meal. Now, I am giving you some of the food as an example, okay. Just note it down and write it in your notebooks that what are the ingredients are needed to cook these foods. Okay, the first one is sambar. It is a South Indian dish, sambar. You have to tell that what are the ingredients we require to cook a sambar. Okay, second one is the bread. Okay, for bread, you take the packet of bread. You will find the ingredients printed on that packet, and from there you can note it down. Now the question arises, from where do we get these ingredients? A very important question. From where we get these ingredients? Can anybody answer? Just think. You know, these ingredients come from the different types of plants and animals. These ingredients come from different types of plants and animals. Yes. So the source of ingredients will be either plants or animals. Now the meal you eat in a day are mixtures of food. You know this? The meal you eat in a day are mixtures of food. On A4 sheet, just take the one A4 sheet paper or just take the notebook, okay, and make a list of all that you eat in a particular day. Got it? You just take a A4 sheet paper or take a notebook, okay, and make a list of all that you eat in a particular day, and just write the ingredients and find their sources. This is your assignment. You have to complete it today. Okay, take the pic and after that, taking the pic, you just post the picture in the group. Got it? So I'll give one example for you. For example, you have to make a chocolate milk. Suppose that you have to make a chocolate milk. So can you tell me what are the ingredients for making a chocolate milk? Only two things required: milk and chocolate powder. Yes, we'll require a milk and chocolate powder. Now milk we will get from cows and buffaloes. Yes, the milk we will get from the cows and buffaloes, whereas the chocolate powder we will get from cocoa plant. So see, there are two sources from them. The milk we will get from the animal source, that is the cow and buffaloes, whereas the chocolate powder we are getting from the cocoa plant. So in this way you have to make a list, okay, whatever you eat in a particular day, okay, and make a list, click the picture and post it in a group. So this is your assignment for that. Got it? Now, so in this, what you have to do, when you complete this activity, you will find you have to write at least three food items. In this way, you have to do this activity, okay, and you have to write at least three food items for that, for this assignment. Now, after completing this activity, what you will get, you will find that the sources of the ingredients are the plants or animals. Got it? Plants are the sources of food ingredients. Plants are the sources of food ingredients, like suppose that the gram, cereals, vegetables, fruits, okay. And animal provide us what? Animal provide us with the milk, meat products, eggs, honey. Huh? So these all are the basically they provide the food of animal origin. Cows, goat, and buffaloes, they are the some common animal which give us milk. Can you name some other animal apart from them which give us milk? Can you name? Just think. Okay, this is for your home assignment. Just think, apart from the cows, goat, and buffaloes, okay, you have to give the names which give us milk apart from these three. Okay, so now first we will discuss one by one the plant sources. Let us start. We all know that the green plants are known as the producers. We all know that the green plants are known as the producers. We also call them autotroph. What is an autotroph? Have you read it before? Have you heard about that? Tell me. See, why the green plants are known as producers, or why they are called the autotrophs? Because they can prepare their own food. They can prepare their own food, okay, with the help of light, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. They get the light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, water from the ground, and the chlorophyll are there in their leaves. So in this way they prepare their food, and the process by which they prepare this food is called photosynthesis. Yes, a very important process. Very important process. This process is known as photosynthesis. Now, can you think why the humans are not called autotrophs? Yes, just think the answer of it. Let's see who can answer this. Okay, why the humans cannot make their own food? Why they are not called the autotrophs? Okay, just give the answer in the group. Now, different parts of the plant, basically, they serve as a source of a food for us. Different parts of the plant. Can you name some different parts of the plants? Yes. What are the different? Yes, roots, okay, stem, leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. It is an edible part. They all are the edible parts. Now the question arises, what are edible? What do you mean by edible? Can anyone answer? What do you mean by edible parts? Yeah, what do you mean by edible? It means the eatable, जिसको आप खा सके. ठीक है? Everything is not edible in the plant. Remember this. Okay? And all the plants are not edible. They may be poisonous. Okay? So the edible means the eatable. Okay. So here now we will discuss one by one the parts of the plant that we eat or the sources. First we'll discuss about the roots. They are the plant parts. See, the roots of the plant are eaten. For example, carrot, radish, turnip. I'm again telling you carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, and beetroots. Okay, so these all are the roots that we eat: carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, and beetroots. Next is the stem. The stem of the certain plants are eaten. For example, the stem of sugarcane plant is eaten, and it is also used to make a sugar. Yes. So the stem of the sugarcane plant is eaten and it is also used to make the sugar. The stem of banana plant is cooked and eaten. You know this in different parts of India. Do you know the certain plant have underground stem? Yes, underground stem. You might be knowing that the roots are inside the ground. They are underground. But some stems are also which is underground. Yes, the examples of underground stems are potato, which is the favorite food of all of you, onion, garlic, and ginger. I'm again repeating. The examples of underground stems are potato, onion, garlic, and ginger. So these are the stem and underground stems. Now we come to the leaves. Bacho, the leaves of the plant are also eaten. Can you name some leaves which will be eaten by you? Think. Spinach, यानी पालक, कोरिएंडर लीव्स, धनिया की पत्ती, बेसिल तुलसी, मिंट पुदीना, cabbage यानी पत्ता गोभी. You must be knowing about them. Okay, and so these all are the leaves which we consume. So leaf is also a part, it is the food factory of the plant. So the mint, cabbage, spinach, coriander, and basil or tulsi, these all are the leaves which we consume. Okay, next is the flowers. But your flowers of the certain plants is also eaten. For example, cauliflower, broccoli, banana, these all are the parts, or we can say these all are the flowers that we consume in our daily life. Now we move to the next part of the plant that is very important, that is called the seeds. Yes, seeds of the mustard plants, it gives us oil. Yes, the seed of the mustard plant, it gives us oil. Seed of the sesame gives oil. Seed of the sunflower gives us oil, cooking oil. And all the plants like the moong, kidney beans, chickpea, cereals, yani wheat, rice, maize. Okay, these all are the seeds which we consume in our daily life. Okay, you can say the cumin seed. What do you mean by cumin? Cumin is basically cumin means jeera. जो मसाले जो spices which is used in your kitchen. It is a very common spices. Cumin seed, that is jeera. It is also a seed. Pepper, kali mirch, cardamom, elaichi. These all are the spices, okay, and these all are the we consume in our daily life. I am giving you one activity regarding this. Okay, activity number 5 from a NCRT. What you have to do, you have to take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Okay, you will take a small amount of you can say moong or chana. Put small quantity seeds in a container which is filled with water and leave for a day. After means the next day, what you have to do, you just pour all the water, and after pouring the water, wrap the seeds in a piece of a wet cloth and set aside for a day or two. And then you have to observe the changes that has been taking place in that seed. It's a very interesting activity. When you'll do, you'll find some interesting observations. Okay, so this you have to do it. You'll see what we're going to find. Basically, you'll see that white structures may have grown out of the seeds. You can see here the white structure. These white structures are there which has been coming out from the seed, and now these seeds are called sprouted seeds. Yes, these seeds are called sprouted seeds, and this process is called sprouting. Okay, this process is called sprouting, which involves the soaking of the seeds, draining the water, and leaving them till they germinate. So, do you know these sprouts can be eaten raw as a salads or cooked? And you know these sprouted seeds are very nutritious. They are very healthy. So these all about the seeds. Next is the fruits and vegetables. You must be knowing about that. The plant also provides fruits, banana, apple, mangoes, etc., and vegetables too. Okay, so these all are about we have discussed today about the ingredients, about the sources of the food, and sprouting, the very important activity which you have to do at your home. Lots of assignment projects I have given in this session. Okay, you have to complete this assignment, a very small challenges, a small task has been provided to you. Okay, after completing this, click the pic and send it into the group. You can send it. Okay, so children, today we have discussed lots of things, and today is the first day. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this session. Tomorrow when we'll come, we'll discuss about the animal sources and different animal and their feeding habits. Very important topic and very interesting topic it is. Okay, so the assignment and activity which is given in this session should be completed today. At last, I'll say that stay safe and healthy, and drink plenty of water. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.